Dhanushkodi is an abandoned town at the southeastern tip of Pamban Island. It shares the only land border between India and Sri Lanka. A small yet prosperous coastal town with incredible beautiful views of the clear blue sea, spotless sands, and stunning landscapes. Welcome to Dhanushkodi. Dhanushkodi is strategically located with Bay of Bengal on one side and the Indian Ocean on the other. You could literally stand between both at the same time. Dhanushkodi, which means end of the bow, is situated in the southeast of Pamban town. Dhanushkodi has the only land border between India and Sri Lanka, which is one of the smallest in the world. It is only 18 miles away from Sri Lanka. The town of Dhanushkodi had everything a busy traveler could need: hotels, boarding houses, textile shop, money exchangers, etc. Business was brisk and the residents were quite prosperous. Then one day, everything came to a deadly end. On that night of December 22, 1964, a cyclone ravaged Dhanushkodi. Reports say that over 1,800 people died in the storm. The high tidal waves moved deep, and as a result, the little town that was once a bustling location for trading and tourism was reduced to ruins. Following this disaster, the government of India declared Dhanushkodi a ghost town, unfit for living in. More than half a century later, corroded remnants of dilapidated buildings stand naked against the bright blue sky, telling their own tales of prosperity of a bygone era that never came back again. But, as the famous quotes say, the past does not define you, the present does. Dhanushkodi is now getting popular. Dhanushkodi is back, beautiful as ever. With a new road built till the southern tip of Dhanushkodi in 2018, Dhanushkodi is again bustling with tourists. The beautiful scenic location just got better than ever, bustling with all species of life forms. For driving enthusiasts, a drive on this road would be etched into the memory for a lifetime. You can now see why. The howling sea breeze, the noise of the waves crashing on both sides of the road, along with the seabirds singing constantly as you drive, will make you remember this drive forever. Once you reach the tip of Dhanushkodi, you could see the Indian emblem, the lion capital of Ashoka, proudly standing. This marks the border of India with Sri Lanka. There are tourists round the clock taking selfies of the trip of their lifetime. Small vendors are always there in case you want a quick snack on a hot day. The beaches are easily accessible in case you need a quick dip to cool you down. The entire trip would be an unique experience. Before you get to Dhanushkodi, you would have to pass the world-famous Pamban Bridge, which is an awesome experience by itself because it is one of the very few bridges built across the sea. To watch a video about Pamban Bridge, please check the link in the comment section. Important tips for visiting Dhanushkodi. Dhanushkodi has no functioning hotels or eateries, so please remember to take some packed food along with you. The sun could be hot, like really hot, so make sure you apply enough sunscreen before stepping out on the beach. Dhanushkodi by itself is a full day trip from Rameswaram, so plan your itinerary to start early from Rameswaram. Oh well, Dhanushkodi is closed after 7 p.m. and wandering among the ruins is illegal, a punishable offense. Remember, a visit to Dhanushkodi takes your breath away and is a visual treat with incredibly beautiful views of the clear blue sea, but at the same time envelops you with sadness with its ruins and the remains of what was once a flourishing town. Subscribe right away if you want to virtually visit many places and beautiful countries around the world. We are here to take you on a free journey around the world. Don't miss it out.